Hey people, so in this particular video, I just want to speak of the joys of intermittent fasting. I mean, seriously, yeah, but according to Ayurveda, like we are basically into three categories, that is Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. You know, our personality types. And Pitta, like Kapha, are the people who are, they tend to be very slim, slender built. You know, you can literally see such people and say that they are Vata personality. You know, Pitta are the slightly on the chubby side. So something like intermittent fasting suits the Pitta personality a lot. Like, you know, it is like that's what now the intake of food, because otherwise Rujuta Divekar, the nutritionist and the person behind Kareena Kapoor's size zero figure, speaks of eating at regular intervals, which suits a Vata personality a lot. Like, you know, the Vata people, Vata means air, you know, so people of the Vata personality, basically they eat like birds. They need to eat little, but they need to eat constantly. But Pitta personality is that intermittent fasting suits them. So really, people on the whole, I think fasting has so many benefits. It's just amazing. So yeah, so I know the no. Just now my dad was telling me, when you're speaking, just come down to the topic immediately. Don't meander here there. So that is true. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.